everyone, nice to see you. So I'm going to show you today how to access your live lessons. Don't forget you've got live lessons every day at 9, 11 and 2 o'clock. So once you go onto our main web page, you just need to access your email, and you can do that using your normal student login. If you don't know your login details, just contact school and our IT team. So once you are logged in, you can access your lessons in two different ways. You will see your lessons in an email from your teacher with the subject heading telling you which lesson it is. So you can access them there, or the way that I'm going to show you, you can access them via your calendar. So you click on this little button here at the bottom. Then for every day, your lessons will pop up. Once you go through your calendar, you click on the lesson, and all you need to do is click join, which will take you through to this page. If you have the Microsoft Teams app, you can join there, or even easier, just continue on your web browser. Microsoft Teams will pop up. Can you just make sure you have your cameras and your microphones off unless your teacher invites you to pop them on? You can pop your name in and click join now. And here on the other end, we've got Mr. Hawley. Say hello, Mr. Hawley. Mr. Hawley waiting, ready to teach you. Mr. Hawley would teach the live lesson, and then at the end of the lesson, you'll just click hang up once you're finished. If you have any other questions about accessing your live lessons, please do get in touch because we're here to help you. Thanks, bye bye.